Oh, no way!
Welcome back to the Urban Exploring Adventure Show.
Our way to the wire, I'm on.
Don't be careful, we'll get fucked. We'll get fucked for copyright.
Oh, come on, Eileen. Oh, I want to dance.
All the night, all the night,
All the night away.
Hey.
Come on, Eileen.
We're here in beautiful Wales.
Can you eat any more skips?
And it's getting night time.
Is that a challenge?
And after the last nighttime video that happened, something might happen again.
You never know.
You never know. Thrills and chills.
Did you just go like that?
No, I just licked some blood off my hand because I'm having a nosebleed because I've been up all night.
Right, okay, fag.
Smoke it, toke it.
Have you got any fags, mate?
Right, where is this place? Is that it? This is from King Kurt, just Kurt. Al, why are you wearing shades at night? Because I'm cool.
It has just literally gone night on it. Like earlier when we were driving, it was bright.
Al, you wear sunglasses to shade you from the sun. There is nothing.
It wasn't. It's just that's a self-brightening windscreen.
Right. The views on the way into this place were just absolutely fucking amazing. Sorry, I've got bugger's grip. This place looks pretty sealed up, pretty tight.
Oops.
So this is my new invention, Lloyd.
But you said you want to see my dick?
These are called moon glasses.
Oh yeah. What
They
do
make
they do?
everything really bright.
I just want to see the view from the top of it. If we'd have got here like a couple of hours before, earlier, for the golden hour, would have been tip top, but...
This place is absolutely massive. I mean, it's pretty trashed, but looks fucking creepy as sin. I'm actually white trash.
A white person with white people problems.
Are you quoting Die Hard with a Vengeance?
No.
Al can now quote Die Hard with a Vengeance because he saw it last night for the first
Watched
ever
it in the
time.
van last night for the first time. I've never seen a Die Hard film.
Look at the size of that. Have we now got the task of trying to get in this fucking place?
It seems like
Oh man, that is just the sea out there, which you can't really see. Oh, there you go. It's part of a golf course, Norton.
the golf course is well and truly gone.
Who the fuck would not want to like stay here? Why would they start?
It might have been a really shit hotel. to be
Poor
fair.
management, that's what I blame.
Who's Paul Management? It's massive. There's well trampled ways that way. Is that what you mean? It's fucking freezing out here, isn't it?
Yeah. The glasses came off.
Oh, what happened?
You got too bright. I'll put them back on for you. So I don't look like shit. Look better now.
Well, you look better because you can't see half of your face.
That's what I mean.
Ah, you bastard. Yeah, I'm not sure about this.
Saying it just looks like a dead end room.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, you got a window. This looks like a very strange bit of room that doesn't make much sense.
I think we're in.
Yes.
Oh, this is well and truly fucked, is this? Right. There's a room in here. Pretty much. It's got some cool like vines growing on the windows. It's like 70s, isn't it? Reminds me of like Grand Budapest Hotel.
It does.
Should we just go upstairs because it looked like that was well what's left of upstairs?
What are we nicknaming this place?
The fucked hotel.
Creepy, innit?
Oh whoa, is that
Like, massive corridor.
look at this? No, that's the lift, isn't it? Well, the lift goes all the way up there.
Look down here, lad.
Oh, it must have been a service lift. Oh yeah.
We got wallpaper. Pretty fucking cool wallpaper, if you ask me. Ask me.
Oh, what do you think of that wallpaper?
Pretty fucking cool, innit?
Where's Al gone? Al! What's up?
Won't focusing. Or even on auto.
Don't cry about it, Al.
Funny.
Come on, Norton.
Time shoelace and health and safety.
Fuck your health and fuck your safety.
I think that.
Let me just turn the thingy up. There we go, so you can see better. Oh, we don't go anywhere. I think this must have been the entrance.
Entrance. Oh my god.
That's the lift, isn't it? It's like a one-man lift. Oh shit! No way!
This no, it's a 5-man lift. It says there.
Oh my god, that is proper Grand Budapest style. Let's have a look. Come and have a look.
Oh.
Look at the button. Bing,
Put a sound effect in.
He's a dickhead.
bing.
Do not touch the gate. Press button for the floor you require.
Wow.
Thank you.
That is pretty cool. Right?
Smash that window. What a dick.
It's not a window, it's a mirror.
Whatever.
Who'd smash a mirror?
It's a mirror. It's a window into your soul.
It's actually a window into the mirror universe.
Food for thought.
I could eat some food.
I could think about eating it.
I could finger a burger.
thought-
Right, which way are we going? What? That way? There's not that way. Here, boys, over there.
Done that.
That room, it looks cool. It's got windows.
So is this.
But you want to go up them?
Fucking eye.
It just looks. Well, now you're both fucking up without.
Oh, sorry, Dad. Have you got no light?
No, I haven't. I've got no mates about looks of things either.
Don't cry about it.
Shut up, you bastard.
Right, go on. Right, we're good.
Myth and reality.
This place is knackered.
Absolutely trampzilla. The Grand Budapest Tramp Hotel.
The Grand Tramp Hotel.
The Grand Tramp. The Grand Tramp. The Grand Trampian Hotel.
You're killing it.
Shut up! I fucking kill you.
You've got to come across here. There's a fucking
What?
board off there that's got a right view. You need to get that on.
Whoa!
Cardboard, watch out, lad.
That is cardboard. That is just cardboard. I just stood on a nail.
Oh, don't worry. You've got 2 feet.
I just stood on a nail.
What am I coming over here for, Al?
The picture.
I don't want it.
They'll do one higher up.
I don't know.
Alright.
Let's go.
It's not a right fucking day today.
It's not even a good picture.
I'm not wearing any boxes. My bollocks are freezing.
Norton, shut the fuck up. What are you doing, Norton?
I'm walking, mate.
Oh, fucking walk
You
then.
want to come for a clutch?
Yeah, right. What are we doing? Did you just put your foot through that?
We're being extra piss takey because we weren't early. So we're like.
Are you good? Are they safe, Norton?
Yeah, they're alright.
Are they alright?
My fingers are freezing.
My dick's freezing. I'm not wearing any boxes.
Whose fault's that?
Yours?
I didn't mind. Because you pissed on me. That's healthy.
Would you let another guy piss on you?
For how much? Bit of wet work.
No, I didn't mean for money.
Do you mean for pleasure?
I just mean, would you let him?
For pleasure, or like you said?
Well, if I really wanted to piss on you, like it was my dream to piss on you, would you let
If
me?
it was your dream, then yeah.
Follow your dream.
Yes.
You would.
Yeah, I would. Look at this.
That was like the most. Yeah, I just said that.
This is higher up and easy to get.
Yeah, this and there is a balcony.
Right, fucking. Wow.
Holy shit! Holy fucking mouth!
Holy fucking mouth.
Wow!
I'm gonna put my sunglasses on so I look good on the Snapchat.
Look at that view.
Oh, boys, look.
What?
Golf ball?
Is it a golf ball?
This used to be back for golf.
It was a golfing hotel.
This is the golf course.
I'm funny me sometimes, you know. I don't care if you think I am, I think I am.
You don't care if we think you are?
Now. Now.
Now.
Now. Now.
Now?
Now.
Yeah, that's the golf course. You can see the dugouts and shit.
The dugouts? That's football.
No, it's not.
The dugout is where you sit when
Are
you're
you smoking
What are you on
cigs?
about dugouts? Are you on about where the sand was?
Yeah, yeah,
I mean
yeah.
sand bunkers.
Whatever.
They're not called dugout. A dugout's where you sit when you're a
Al,
sub on
no one
football.
fucking plays golf out of our street, so no one gives a fuck.
I play
I do.
golf.
I mean, Lloyd has been
Yeah,
golfing
we've
on the
been-
weekends
At work?
What weeks have I been playing cricket?
Shall we, Al?
I think driving ranges.
Yeah, should we
Yeah.
start going to play
Let's-
golf? Since how he fucks off to work.
Yeah, I have to do all work with it. Hell on earth, it's me who does all editing. Well, I'm editing, you're playing golf. Is that what you're saying?
I think Norton does the least of the three.
Yeah, I don't know. I think me and Norton are quite equal. Because I do like some videos. Johnny does like the posting on shit sometimes and spelling things wrong. I'm the host of the most. The only thing
Yeah,
that
you
I'll
host.
do to contribute to this group is wear sunglasses in inappropriate places.
Pardon?
Lordy, come on.
I'll just try to look cool.
Back me up on that. These are moon glasses anyway, dickhead. Make things brighter. That'd be a cool invention. I'm gonna that's patented. Is it
Holy
patent
shit!
or patent?
Is that Emily Moore mast? Should we see if we can get to the top floor?
Yeah. A golf hotel with a driving range on the roof. Boom, done, sorted. I'm gonna be a millionaire. The amount of ideas I come up with, I could be fucking rich.
2 ideas.
That's just within the last hour.
What are the 2 ideas? What was the other idea?
I don't remember. Moon. That's my only problem.
Moon glasses.
That's
Yeah, but
my
moon
only
glasses don't work
How do you work?
because
I haven't invented them yet.
it's dark.
How does your camera work?
Well,
Making things lighter.
yeah, but the camera doesn't work in the same way that glasses do. You
Well, I'll
freak.
fucking make it work like that.
Oh, you're gonna put a battery in them and
Don't talk to me.
lenses.
Solar powered?
What? When the moon glasses?
Yeah. No, I'll make them lunar powered then.
Fucking idiot.
They'll be lunar powered. What's through this stuff?
I don't know.
Lloyd, there's an orgasmic corridor.
Is there an orgasmic corridor? That is quite.
Depends how
orgasmic.
easily you orgasm. You are the only thing I need to get by. To get by. We keep going up, yeah?
Yeah, let's just keep going up until.
I think. Oh yeah, but look at that. It's fucked.
I like this carpet.
Alright.
Is it paisley?
It's Paisley. I think we're on top floor. How your dad sells Avon?
Did you just say your dad sells Avon?
It's a meme.
Is it?
Yeah, get out of that.
There's a hole there too.
The holiest of holies. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn you into a meme.
You're gonna turn me into a meme?
Hey now, you're a meme star. Are you? No.
That was you.
I swear to God, that wasn't me.
That was you.
It wasn't me, you funny. Maybe Big Bird's followed us.
Let's not start this shit again. Fuck's sake.
After today's ordeal, nothing will ever scare me again.
That's cool. You had such good views, like in the rooms here.
Oh yeah, that's ridiculous, isn't it? There's good views, but like, I mean...
Hang on a minute, is the floor disappearing here?
No.
No?
Are you tripping?
No, I'm just... Cause
You were
there's a-
seeing double earlier, now you think the floor's disappearing?
Yeah, my vision was going blurred. Don't make me laugh, I'm gonna fall over.
I'm gonna shit myself.
Oh my
God, I feel sick now.
Are we gonna get to end here? There's gonna be fuck
Oh,
off.
dude, there's like a door with no, like, door.
Is there actually?
There's a closed door.
Behind it. That one closed last time we came here.
Who's here?
Okay. Oh shit.
Do we
What?
open the closed door?
Yeah, open the closed door.
I don't.
Open the closed door.
That one closed last time we were here.
We,
There's someone on the other side of that.
There's a bath.
Well, get in it then, you scuffy mucky cunt.
What is one of them cages that you put
That you
wash
get in that cage and get a wash. Is that the lift?
Huh?
Shine your light in there.
It's the door to the downstairs.
Holy shit. Fucking hell, I thought that was just a bloody drop then. Shit me son.
Should we go down those stairs
What?
instead?
It's like he's become an old man.
Right.
I feel like
When I leave
drunk.
Yorkshire, I get more Yorkshire.
I feel like Johnny has turned into his dad that's had a drink.
I mean,
Yeah, there's some jiff there, I'll get a wash.
Jif, it's Sif in
It's
it.
jiff, it's Welsh. It used to be called jiff.
Yeah, it did used to be called Jif.
Why the fuck did
That's showing your
Why
age.
did you
Oh
change
yeah,
it from
oh,
Jif
yeah.
to Sif?
Oh yeah, because Sif makes so much sense.
Because everyone called it Sif and then Jiff were like, oh, let's just change its fucking name.
Did everyone call it Sif?
Yeah.
Why did they call it Sif?
Why would you call it Sif if it's called Jif? And then why would you change its name from Jif to Sif?
What even is Jif? Who calls it Jif? Who would make a cleaning product and go, oh, call it Jif? And then everyone calls it Sif. So change it to Sif.
No, I don't think everyone was calling Jif Sif, so that's why they
would
changed
they change
it.
its name?
I don't fucking
That's why
know.
they changed it, honestly. In the comments. In the comments. Fucking. I remember this shit.
Yeah, but if everyone started calling it Sif, that would just mean loads of people couldn't read.
Why change it? Why change one letter? Just call it Jif, it's pretty fucking easy. Honestly, they changed it because people calling it Sif. In the comments, people, help me out here.
Shit.
In the comments, right?
I can't fucking do it.
Shut your tramp.
Shut your trout.
Shut your tramp mouth.
Oh, my sunglasses would do well in this situation.
Who would? Tom what?
You what
My moon
glasses?
glasses.
Tom what would do well in this situation?
Right, are we leaving now? Thanks for
I'm
watching.
leaving on
See
a
you
jet
later,
plane.
goodbye.
Don't know when I'll be back again.
We've had a fucking eventful day and we're going now.
I'm cold, I'm wet, and I'm ready to go. What do we think to this hotel?
I just had a tick, sorry.
Hotel
it was
Tramp.
really shit.
Hotel Transylvania.
It looks good.
There it is.
That looks very blue. Shut up. Look, on Lloyd's camera, you fanny around.
Don't you dare use your camera to take pictures of his fanny. What was I saying? The views were good, but a shame about the company. That's all I'm saying.
Right, can we fucking go? My fingers are dropping.
Get you some offal, mate.
Offal, mate.
Have you ever had offal?
Have you ever had a full offal?
It tastes like ravioli and shit.
What's
Mixed
an
in a
offal?
big pan.
What's an offal?
Offal's like liver and stuff.
Liver and dog shit.
Lather me up in
It's
dog
a
shit.
specialty.
I saw something moving.
Yeah.
going?
Subscribe if you want.
I
See
hear
you
noises.
later on. We'll see you some other time.
Yeah, it's in a bit, boy.
Sin a bit. Sin a bit. Upthehood.com. Sin a bit. I don't even want to move.
I can't see you, I ain't got a fucking torch. Oh, you left your phone in car?
Yeah, I don't need to call anyone, do I?
You need a torch though, dickhead.
Ah, you bastard! They're like razor blades, them things. Look at them.
Oh,
That's like a fucking weapon. They should be banned.
look at you can ban a plant. You can't. Weed, dickhead. Yeah, you can't ban it. You can only ban the use of it. I'll ban you. I'll ban you out.
I'll put you back in my van and fuck you up.
Why did you come on?